A Chinese constructor of a China-Pakistan Economic Corridor project has donated relief supplies to Pakistan's flood-affected areas. China State Construction Engineering Corporation donated to Pakistan 10 million rupees worth of disaster relief supplies, including tents, rice, cooking oil and other necessities. The supplies will be distributed to flood-affected people through the Pakistan National Highway Authority.
I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the China State Construction and Engineering Corporation for the really significant and generous donation they have made in terms of the flood relief, and obviously I would be grateful to the government of China for having provided us with this opportunity and this such a great company that is here working in Pakistan, like other Chinese companies.
CSCEC is the constructor of the 392-kilometer Succa-Multan motorway, a project under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The corporation has already donated 600,000 rupees worth of relief materials through the All Pakistan Chinese Enterprises Association, and actively carried out rescue and relief operations in disaster-affected areas such as Succa.